the conference is very promising. And the title is really intriguing. Sharing is caring. This is something that we all the time need to bear in our mind. So this which ensures to be educational, entertaining, and thoughtful. So today is also a special day to commemorate the Declaration of the Rights of the Child. As EAS students, you can establish a tradition starting from today that will positively have an impact in our school, in the Azerbaijan, and create future opportunities for research.
And so this main character starts to work under this princess.
And everywhere they're beneficial to others, they're beneficial to the society, and they contribute to the environment that they're in. So, one more thing. It encourages you to become a competent and independent learner.
The results were 77% of teens reported that they have anxiety when they're